Doing a review on the Invidia R400 Gemini exhaust. Today we're doing a review on the Invidia R400 Gemini exhaust, and it's on my 2021 Subaru WRX STI. As you guys know, I am a father, I have children, and this is going to be a real world review of what it's like to live with it as somebody that has a family and has children and stuff. So tune in, I think you guys are going to enjoy this one. Alright, so it's finally time to do the install on the Subi. We're going to be getting rid of the stock exhaust, and we're putting this bad boy on. The Invidia R400, and these are the parts that come with it there. And we also had to get some other parts from Grimspeed. We got, I think this, oh yeah, we had to get this from Subaru. It's like a gasket. And this is like an adapter from Grimspeed. So we had to get that to go on there with it. And these are the parts that bolt up with the exhaust. And yeah, so we're here at Subaru. We're gonna get it installed through Subaru, and I'll let you guys see what it sounds like once it comes out. So this has got to be the funniest thing I've seen in a while. WTF? Welcome to Florida. This is the exhaust when it's out. First of all, Subaru is like the coolest dealership ever. Just want to say that first and foremost, at least the one that I go to. So they did an amazing job. They make sure they like did everything perfect, lined it up all perfect. And this is what the exhaust looks like. Awesome job. Happy with the way it looks. Didn't even hear it yet, but it looks amazing. So, well, yeah.
That's about to change.
Oh no, you started. It's fine. I'm just gonna be back here getting it. Yeah, the exhaust note. All right, now this is it starting up. First startup. Okay. What a difference, dude! Like you literally hear it. Wow. Yeah. That is awesome.
Might get some vapor coming out next.
Yeah.
Oils that are in there.
Man, oh man. What a difference. Look how different it sounds from stock.
Now listen in here.
Huh?
Listen to it here.
Not as bad.
No, but it's still got that presence.
Yeah, yeah. It sounds almost like a muscle car. So this is what it sounds like driving with the Invidia R400 Gemini exhaust. So I don't know if it's a drone or if it's just louder. Like, I guess I got so used to it being so quiet that it's taking some used to it being so much louder, because it's significantly louder. It's like, it's so much louder than stock that I would say it's on par with the Camaro, but maybe even louder, because I think the drone is a little bit louder than in the Camaro. But here, let me see if I can let you guys hear a little. So that's just little aggressive shifting, so you can hear what it sounds like. It's a nice sound. Like, I'm starting to warm up to it a little bit more. I'm getting used to it. But now I'm wondering, do I want to have it that loud if I'm going to have the kids in the car, you know? Or maybe they're going to think it's cool and enjoy it. I'm not sure. But I definitely don't want to put, like, the little baby in here, because we just have a newborn daughter. So I definitely don't want to put her in here, because I feel like the loudness might be an issue. But for the other kids, they might find it cool, they might enjoy it, because they do enjoy the Camaro, so they might actually enjoy it. But that's just, you know, a little tidbit for all the fathers and mothers out there that are planning on getting this exhaust with the Subaru STI. Like, it is significantly louder, you know? As far as performance feel, it definitely feels like it increased the up top speed. You can feel it's more free flowing now. You know, I felt like before there was like way more back pressure. You can feel the difference in back pressure. That back pressure isn't there anymore, but it's definitely free flowing, and it almost makes me want to put the Cobb tune on it. And obviously now with everything that's going on with the EPA and all, that's pretty much all I can do, is just put like a Cobb tune on it, the stage 1 tune, and do an intake and call that a day. And the rest of my mods will probably be aesthetic mods. But that's pretty much what I have planned for this car. And having the exhaust with the way it sounds now, you definitely start feeling the need to have a little bit more power. So I'll do like a downshift here. Definitely feels like it needs like more power now, so that's something that I'm probably gonna do soon. But as far as the livability, it is growing on me. You can see, like, when I'm not in gear, it's in neutral right now. It's like a nice little hum. It's not bad. So if you're a younger person and you just want to like stand out at the car shows and, you know, and win rev battles against like other stock or slightly modified STIs and stuff, I think the R400 is definitely one of the better exhausts out there. So I want you guys comment below, let me know what you think. Like, you hear what it sounds like. Is this like a sound that you would like to go for? I would say the sound itself is very muscle car-ish. It almost sounds cammed out a little bit. It has like a nice rumble to it. And like, I've actually called people on the phone. Like, I actually called Q the Chaotic over the phone, and I asked them to like listen, you know, to the car and guess which car I was in, and he thought it was the Camaro over the phone. So it definitely has that sound to it. I'm not sure if that's like a good thing for people that the purists of the Japanese 4-cylinders, but I like it. I think it's unique, and it's just the loudness of it is taking a while for me to get used to. But the more I drive around with it, I'm getting more and more used to it. And who knows, maybe later on I'll be like, it's not loud enough, I need to put a downpipe. So we'll see about that. But here's like a first gear pull. Coming out at first. And in the second. Third. Yeah, I mean, it's definitely louder. It's definitely more invigorating as well. But comment below, let me know what you think, and let me know if you guys would like to see more So in conclusion, here's my final thoughts on the Invidia R400 Gemini exhaust. It sounds amazing. It sounds great. It's probably for people that are 30 and under, and probably also, I think the car's a little bit slower because it's not as much back pressure. I'm not sure how it will feel with the tune on it, but in its stock form with just the exhaust, it does feel a little bit slower, like the computer's taking a little bit longer to figure out what to do with the extra flow of air. And that's about it. I think it's a great exhaust if you really want to wake up the sound of the car and hear that Subi rumble. But if you like, you know, being a little bit more understated, then I would go with a different choice. But that's my final thoughts. Race car friends out.